You are at the hospital. The administration is right here. I'm going to get in there. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now. I hold into your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now. Because you won't get out of my car. 9-1. Get out right now. Get out of my car. Get out. Now. Now. I will talk to you any way I want. Yes, I will. And I have the right. You're at a hospital where you need to be. Get out of my car. Can you get out of my car, please?